So, you've built your first website. Cool. But here's the real question. How do you make it visible to the world, fast, secure, and global, without paying a fortune? Traditional hosting can be slow, expensive, or unreliable, especially across different regions in Africa. Many creators give up after their first project because their website crashes, loads slowly, or costs too much to maintain. But that's not a tech problem. That's an infrastructure problem, and AWS has the fix. Here's how it works. Simple, visual, and powerful. Step 1. Upload your site to S3, AWS's storage service. Think of it like a digital shelf for your web files. Step 2. Link it with Route 53. That's your address system, so people can find your site. Step 3. Add CloudFront, AWS's global content delivery network. It makes your website load fast anywhere in the world, whether in Nairobi or New York. 3 steps, $1, and you've just deployed a global website. This is the moment where knowledge becomes power. Because when you can deploy your own website, you're not just a consumer of tech, you're a creator. AWS gives you the tools. You provide the imagination. So don't just watch others build the digital future. Join in. Start your first AWS project. Share your progress. And be part of a community proving that Africa doesn't need permission to innovate. We just need the right tools. Subscribe to Tech Hub Africa, and let's build the continent's digital future, one cloud project at a time.